welcome to Over the Table. This is a little video I'm putting out there to update you guys on what's going on with the channel. I know things have been a little iffy. We haven't been there, fell off the face of the planet. It's been pretty long. And the reason for this is because me and Michael are not near each other. That really makes it difficult. We used to be roommates and we're no longer roommates. We both went our separate ways, and we both decided that the best thing to do is to have one of us continue the channel, and I agree, and we decided that I should do it. So I'm here to give you guys what you came to this channel for, what you've subscribed to this channel for, because you guys want your reviews, you want your DIYs, you want everything that we do, and you haven't had it, and I apologize. But we're going to bring it to you. I'm going to bring it to you. From this point forward, there's going to be consistent uploads, consistent products. I'm going to be on top of things that you won't believe, things that you'll want to see. I'll take requests. Go ahead and put in the comments anything that you want to see from this channel. What are your expectations from Over the Table? I've got the original table, different venue, original table. We're keeping it classic. Over the Table is not different. It's the same channel, but it's just me now. It's just a little bit of a change. It won't make it different. I'm gonna bring the good quality videos that you guys deserve. Stay tuned. There's gonna be some uploads coming up here soon, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know. Go ahead and like this video, share it, tell your friends. Over the Table is back. I'm back, and we're going to get this thing started up again. So thank you guys for sticking with us, being loyal subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, because this channel is taking off with so much material that you guys won't believe it. We're going to make this thing happen, and it's going to happen for you guys, because I know there's so many products out there that you want a good quality review of, and some of you guys don't have as much money as others. Some of you are less fortunate, and that's what I'm here for, is to get those budget products and let you know if they're worth your time. And if not, then we'll get higher quality products for those more fortunate and make sure that those are worth your time. Is it worth all the money you're spending? We will find out. And projects. I'm gonna bring so many projects to you guys. I'm going to teach you how to do lots of things. Hopefully keep it fresh, keep it new, keep it clean. Whatever you guys want to see is what's going to happen. Thank you for watching. This was just an update video again. New material is going to be coming at you real soon. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Over the Table.